Let's make some Tiki Egg Nog inspired by King Eggnog himself, Mr. Jeffrey Morgenthaler's Clyde Commons Egg Nog. The recipe calls for superfine or baker sugar, but if you don't have that, you can just take white granulated sugar and add it to a blender. I had this recipe all dialed in and ready to go, and then I saw that Jeffrey Morgenthaler was on the Imbibe podcast, and one of the things he suggested was using the highest quality milk and cream you can get your hands on. So I went out and got that, and if you're in the Bay Area, it's this glass bottle right here, Strauss. Instead of a cream top, I have to incorporate it. Cheers. That's the best eggnog that I've ever had. And I almost forgot.